an history for our country. We have what it takes. We have what is needed. Knowledge, creativity, the mind, determination, we are the same country performing wonders in other countries. We can do it here. I promise I'll work with you to make Nigeria the destination of returning home to contribute to the development. Thank you. The youth, I address you first. Let me repeat that I hear you loud and clear. What do I say? Loud and clear. Whatever the cost, we are going to chart the path together. We are going to embark on this journey together, united. No one is too small to be creative. Inshallah, we will work together. I will pay attention, undivided attention to your education. We will be creative. Credit will be available. Education loan will be available. 4 years course will be 4 years course. No more strike. Your universities will have the autonomy to be able to upgrade your syllabuses and be creative. No more selling of handouts. They must be authors. They must write and pray for the nation. I know where it pains. And believe me, you will see the reward of your election. Thank you very, very much. God bless you.
There you have it, the acceptance speech of the President-elect Senator Bola, Tinubu, right there at the headquarters of the APC's Presidential Campaign Council in the heart of the nation's capital, Abuja. I imagine that there shouldn't be any use for the PCC anymore since he has emerged the winner of this election. And his speech, well, he touched on some major issues. First, he, at some point, of course, as you would expect, accepted to serve Nigerians. And he says that he wants to be a servant to Nigerians and not be their leader. And he called this a serious mandate. So that's official. It's an